Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Julia. Today we are not going to talk about makeup, but still the video is in a beauty category because this is about the overall beauty. Beauty doesn't mean only your face, beauty means everything you are in a total. A while ago I was contacted by the Skinny Coffee Club and they proposed me to try one of their products for a month, and in exchange of this I can film a video to share my honest opinion of the product, whether it's working. After I got the product, I thought that the most appropriate person to try this product it is my husband, because he's the one who is struggling more with the weight in my family. So I gave it to him. Let's speak about the product itself. This is a coffee-based product. It contains instant coffee, green tea extract, Garcinia cambogia and Siberian ginseng. All the products are natural. This is nothing that it will harm your inside. Directions for use. Add 1 level teaspoon of Skinny Coffee Club to a mug. Pour near boiling water and stir well. It is recommended that you drink it without milk and sugar. However, you may use coconut milk or almond milk accompanied by stevia as a sweetener. Okay, this was not a problem for my husband because he doesn't drink sweetened coffee, he just likes it black, so he enjoyed. He told me that this is really tasty. So yeah, from this reason this is a plus. They have more programs for this product. I'm opening the website just to give you accurate info. So they have the original weight loss program, which I think it is the one that I got, and it is the day program. Also they have day and night weight loss program, which is now on sale. They have it in a bundle. And they have intensive 7-day weight loss program and skinny bundle weight loss program. This product retails for £27.95 and they offer free shipping worldwide. Also, I can see that if you are purchasing now, you can get 15% of your first order using the code NEWYOU. I'm not getting anything, and even I got the product for free. The opinions are mine, or my husband's in this case. I want to make a disclaimer that all the unit measures that I will refer on this video are the international one, mean kilograms or centimeters, meters. So, my husband, when he started to lose weight 2 years ago, he was a bit overweight. And he had a calorie-based diet that he was following for several months. Then he stopped, he gained back weight, and this year he started again his own program, his own calorie calculation program, and from March till May he was able to lose around 5 kilos. Now, what is his problem? When he will stop following his diet and he will return to his normal eating life, he will gain back some of the weight that he has lost through his own weight loss program. And he stopped his diet on 13th of May when we got this product. He tried for 1 month. He told me that in the beginning he has seen some changes, that he started to have more stools, because while he was following his calorie-based program, he was struggling on this chapter, so his body wasn't helping him so much to have everyday stool. So this product was helping him to regulate in this matter. Also, he felt that he has more energy. He was having ups and downs. Sometimes he was losing some few hundred grams. There were some other days when he was gaining them back. But at the end of the cycle, I will show you that today we are on 13th of June. That is 1 month since he started the program. He finished yesterday, so he has 29 or 30 days of usage from this product. The product, it looks like this. It is a sachet that you can open it on the top, and it's also sealable, so the flavor won't go out. So after each usage, you will seal it back. Yeah, so you can see the actual color of the remaining product, and I can sense the smell of the coffee. The flavor is similar with the instant coffee that is normally available on the stores. What my husband gained from this experience, I'll put the chart on the screen because he has an scale that is connected to a Bluetooth application, and you can get your history of your weight for several months. So he was able to give me the chart for the current month while he was taking the Skinny Coffee Club product, and basically from the beginning till the end he was able to maintain his weight in conditions that he was not taking care of his calories. He wasn't carefully on what he was eating. He was even eating late. He was eating more than he was normally eating. So when he would have stopped this normal calorie diet, he would have gained like 2-3 kilograms within 1 month. So basically for him, this product has helped him to not gain those 3 extra kilograms. For that he is really happy because he could enjoy 1 month of free eating. So who doesn't like that, to eat, to not worry about putting weight. Of course, I think that for people that are beginning this journey, having more kilograms on board, I believe this is more effective. And I'm really sorry that my mother is not here because she's overweight. She has way more kilograms that she should have, but she's also in her 70s, so there's that. But I think for the people that have more weight to lose, this will be more efficient. Because my husband was already going through a weight loss diet. So in this case, his body didn't have so much weight to release. Also, would have been more useful for me. 3 years ago, I was struggling to lose the weight from my first pregnancy. So at that time I was around 60 kilograms and I wanted to lose around 5 or 6. But anyway, it didn't happen at the time. It happened after second pregnancy. So right now I'm at 52, which is normal for me as I'm 162. And by the way, my husband, it is 172 and he is 73, and his goal is to go below 70 or nearly 70 kilograms. So yeah, he also told me that this product, the Skinny Coffee Club, does what it claims to do: reduce your appetite. So he wasn't feeling the need to snack, to over snack, because he likes really much to eat peanuts, chips, sweets. He loves sweets. So this is really good in this matter. Give you more energy, help regulate your transit, intestinal transit, and of course, if you are a bit more careful with your diet, I think it will help even a person like him to lose weight. I want to give a thanks to Skinny Coffee Club for sending me this program. My husband, really enjoyed using it, and he thinks that is really good and healthy alternative for losing weight in a long time, not immediately. If you are thinking that you can get that type of the product that will help you lose 5 kilos in 2 weeks without doing any effort, then that kind of product, it is not healthy. It will help you lose kilograms, but it will also harm you inside. So this is a really natural product. It will help your body to work naturally. Just as I said, I think several times on this video, you also need to be careful not to have a normal diet. But if you cannot keep your diet, you can go and exercise, run several minutes per day, do some exercise at home. Try to not eat too late on the evening. So give it a bit of the help from your side, and for sure you'll see some results. And my husband is planning to try again this product maybe in a couple of months, because we will go on vacation in few weeks, and after that, if he will gain some more kilograms, he is willing to try it again and see if there are actually some better results on his weight. Okay, please let me know in your comments down below if you have used this product. What are your results? What do you think about it? And yeah, other than that, I would like to thank you for watching my video. If you subscribe before you leave, I would like to thank you in advance. I would like to ask you to give it a thumbs up, and other than that, I will see you again really soon. Take care of your body.